Is your ONN TV stuck on a red blinking light and won't turn on? Don't worry, you're not alone. This is one of the most common issues, and the good news is that most of the time, you can fix it yourself at home in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you the easiest step-by-step methods to bring your TV back to life. No tools or risky repairs needed. Let's start with the first and simplest fix. Unplug your TV from the wall outlet or power strip completely, and let the power cord rest. Now, locate the physical power button under your TV. It's usually right below the red LED light, either in the center or on one of the sides. Once you find it, press and hold that button for a full minute while the TV is unplugged. This drains any leftover static electricity from inside the TV's power circuits, and that small reset often clears out any temporary faults that stop it from turning on. After holding it for 1 minute, release the button and wait another 5 minutes before plugging the TV back in. When you do, make sure to plug it directly into a wall outlet instead of a power strip or surge protector. Sometimes those devices interfere with power delivery and cause the flashing red light issue. Now, use the physical power button, not the remote, to turn on the TV. If it powers up, you're all set. If not, don't worry. This next step might do the trick. Next, unplug the TV again and disconnect every HDMI cable or external device connected to it. That includes things like Roku sticks, Chromecast, gaming consoles, or soundbars. Once everything's removed, plug the TV back into the wall and try turning it on again. If the red light stops blinking and the TV works, then one of your HDMI devices or cables was causing the problem. Plug them back in one by one to see which one triggers the red light again. That's a quick way to find the source of the issue. If the problem continues, let's check your remote control. Remove the batteries, then press and hold the power button on the remote for about 30 seconds to discharge any remaining power. After that, press down every button a few times to clear out any dust or stuck keys. Sometimes one jammed button can block the remote from sending a signal. Now, put in brand new batteries, not half-used ones, and try turning on the TV again. Weak batteries are a sneaky cause of power issues and often go unnoticed. Now, when you plug the TV back in, watch the red light closely. If it blinks once and then fades off, that's a good sign. It means the TV is trying to power on. If it keeps blinking rapidly, it might still be stuck in protection mode. At this point, try pressing the power button on the TV itself one more time to confirm. If it still doesn't respond, the issue might be deeper than what we can fix externally. Inside your TV, there are a few key components: the main board, which controls all functions, and the power board, which supplies electricity. If either of these fails, you'll often see a red blinking light with no power. Unfortunately, this means there could be a hardware issue that can't be fixed without opening the TV. You can find replacement parts online on sites like eBay, but unless you're familiar with electronics repair, I strongly recommend contacting a qualified technician. In some cases, replacing the main or power board might cost nearly as much as a new TV, so compare the repair cost before deciding. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip to prevent this from happening again. Always plug your TV directly into a wall outlet. Avoid cheap power strips and unplug it during lightning storms. These small steps can protect your TV from voltage drops and surges that often cause these kinds of issues. Hopefully, one of these steps helped fix your ONN TV's red light problem. If it did, drop a comment below and tell me which method worked. It helps others watching too. And if this video saved your TV, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy home tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.